Here's a neat thing. They also made a point of this, and I probably should bring it up, is they brought up a point and they said you can equip the orange LXS with everything on the LX. And I go, really? And they go, yeah. They have an optional accessory package or accessory line that if you want to equip the LXS with everything the LX has, the factory won't install your 4S speaker system, but the 4S speaker system will be installed by the dealership, as well as the air diffuser, the little airfoil, the meter visor, and they will also change out your seat. And this second seat that you're seeing right here, okay, this guy right here, that one giant cursor, okay, that second seat is identical in shape and contour as the brown two-tone seat that you get on the LX, all right? And it is adjustable. You can get the adjustable seat on the luxury seat, LXURY, luxury seat. So you can get an adjustable luxury seat, just not in brown, on the orange LXS. So you can effectively have an orange LX if you want one. Or you can equip your Cowie green one with all this stuff. You can equip, they actually offer it. You can check all the boxes at your dealer if you want it. Again, I did a whole video going like, I'm kind of over all of the sound systems and all the bells and whistles. I kind of want it stripped down, but I'm not everyone. And, I'm not although I proselytize a little bit of how I feel, I don't make a convincing argument to make everyone go, yeah, screw radios. I want to go, strip down, which, although I really wish you would, because, man, bare bones is awesome. So that was something really unique, was that they are offering they're offering options to equip your non-LX with all the LX stuff. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.